Hi, this is Alec Pacella joining you again for our weekly segment that we call Does You Know? This week I'm going to talk about an event that I went to yesterday. NorthStar Title, shout out to you, Rick Arity, if you're listening, brings in a noted economist by the name of Ted Jones every year. And Dr. Jones, for those of you that may have seen him, is a great speaker, but he's also very insightful. So 5 topics that I want to talk about this week that I thought were particularly insightful. First of all, Dr. Jones talked about growth, job growth. Cleveland MSA had just under 1% job growth for 2016, and that is about half of the national average, which was just under 2%. So although we're hanging in, we only added about 8,000 jobs in all of last year, most of which were related to manufacturing. Second takeaway was interest rates. I think we all realize that interest rates are certainly on the rise. Dr. Jones seems to think that that's going to continue, but at a measured pace. So if you look at the 10-year Treasury, we went from just over 1.8 at the day before of the election, ended the year at 2.48%. Dr. Jones thinks that there's a little bit of upward room, maybe get up as high as close to 3%, does not think that it's going to go much higher than that by the end of 17. Good news. Third thing was cap rates. We've certainly seen great decreases, cap rate compressions, falling cap rates over the last several years. Dr. Jones thinks that cap rates are actually going to moderate a little bit because of those rising interest rates. That's going to put upward pressure on cap rates and cause them to increase over the course of 17. Fourth thing was capital gains. I think everyone seems to be thinking that the capital gains rate is going to actually decrease. If nothing else, the 3.8% Obamacare federal tax surcharge will probably go away, which will be effectively giving us a capital gains decrease. So that would certainly help activity in 2017. And the fifth thing was very interesting, retail. Dr. Jones is very big on retail. He said that there's a tremendous amount of millennials that are coming into the market, and the millennials need to buy everything as they form rental households first and then permanent households. After that, they're going to need snow shovels, rakes, toasters, microwaves, armoires, furniture, everything. So he's very bullish on retail except for department stores. He thinks department stores are the one kind of black swan out there in the retail landscape. And I think, judging on what we saw from the announcements yesterday from Sears and Macy's, have to agree with that. So those were the 5 takeaways from Dr. Jones. Again, a great, insightful presenter. If you ever happen to get the chance to see him, I would certainly recommend it. Wish you a great weekend and good fortunes in the week ahead. See you next week.